Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Yes, I am Nena Sabatin Diaz. Honestly, I am 57 years old. Just went back Philippines last October 14, 2025 because my employer released me. Reason is for miscommunication because they are from mainland China. They cannot speak English. I worked there only 6 months. Uh, uh, I start work in Hong Kong 2009. 4 years finish contract in Lantau, my first employer. After that, in Taipo, 4 years finish contract also. And also in Chingy again, I cared 2 children. 4 years finish contract again, ma'am. That's it. I can cook Chinese food. I can care the children. I can cook food for family. I can go to market to buy things by myself. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. That's it.